Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Sandal College Boys Section online class second year. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Here is Akhtar Saeed, your English teacher. I hope that you are fine and healthy and remain at home. As today is the first lecture, I thought to advise you and discuss the effective use of online classes and paper pattern of English so that you may use this time of COVID-19 in the best possible manner while staying at home. Dear students, you are supposed to follow these instructions to get the best out of these online classes. As you know, COVID-19 is rampant in the entire world, so instead of being frightened of it, we have to improvise effective ways and means to combat it and carry on our studies. Keeping in view the future of the students, the administration of Sandal College Faisalabad planned to launch online classes. Dear students, we'll share all the lectures in a WhatsApp group. You should watch these lectures with complete attention. Dear students, there are certain other ways to watch these lectures. Rather, I would advise you to follow these ways to benefit from these online classes. You may install WhatsApp in your computer. In this way, you can have a bigger and clear view of these lectures. You can also use hands-free for clear voice. It would be much better if you save these lectures in USB to watch them on your LED with even better view and voice. Take down the important points of these lectures and try to understand them well. Last but not the least, if you feel any problem, you may contact me or any other teacher in the feedback group. Now, discuss the paper pattern. But before discussing the paper pattern, I would like to tell you the books which we'll study this year. First of all, Book 2, Modern Prose and Heroes. Modern Prose has 10 lessons and Heroes has 5. In this way, English Book 2 has a total 15 lessons. Next is Goodbye Mr. Chips. It is a novel written by James Hilton. It has 18 chapters. Third is Grammar and Composition. I would like to tell you 50% marks are given to these two books, English Book 2 and Goodbye Mr. Chips, and 50% marks are given to Grammar and Composition. Now, paper pattern of English for intermediate. Dear students, total marks for English paper are 100 with 3 hours time. This paper of English carrying 100 marks are divided into two parts. First is objective type and second is subjective type. Objective type paper carries 20 marks with a time of 30 minutes. You are to solve this paper in 30 minutes. Subjective type carries 80 marks with 2 hours and 30 minutes time. Now we discuss the objective type and subjective type one by one. First of all, objective type. Question number 1. Question number 1 has 3 parts, A, B and C. Part A, synonyms. There are 10 synonyms. 3 synonyms are selected from modern prose, 3 synonyms are selected from heroes, and 4 synonyms are selected from novel. One sentence will be written and one word in each sentence will be underlined, and there are 4 options: alpha, beta, Charlie and delta, and you are to select the suitable synonym to the word. And then you will fill in the circle. Each synonym carries 1 mark. In this way, 10 marks are given to synonyms. B. Prepositions. 5 sentences are written with blanks and you are to fill in the blank with the suitable preposition. 4 options in the form of alpha, beta, Charlie and delta are given under each sentence, and you are to select the suitable preposition and fill in the circle. Each sentence carries 1 mark. In this way, 5 marks are given to prepositions. Part C is correction. In correction, one sentence is written that is incorrect, and there are 4 options under it, with the options of alpha, beta, Charlie, delta, and you are to select the right choice. Each sentence carries 1 mark. In this way, 5 marks are given to correction. So total 20 marks are given to objective type paper, as I told you earlier. Now is the subjective type. Subjective type has 2 sections, section 1 and section 2. Section 1 is for short questions, and all the short questions are taken from book 2 and Goodbye Mr. Chips. Question 2 starts with modern prose. There are 9 questions taken from modern prose, and you are to attempt only 6. Each short question carries 2 marks. In this way, 12 marks are given to modern prose. Then modern heroes. 8 questions are taken from modern heroes, and you are to attempt 6 questions. Each short question carries 2 marks. In this way, 12 marks are given to modern heroes. Then novel. 12 questions are taken from novel, and you are to attempt 8 questions. Here again, each short question from novel carries 2 marks. In this way, 16 marks are given to novel. So 40 marks are given to the textbooks. Now section 2. Question number 3, essays. 4 essays are given, and you are to attempt 1 essay that carries 15 marks. In this way, 15 marks are given to question number 3, that is essays. Then question number 4, idioms. 8 idioms along with phrasal verbs are taken, and you are to attempt 5. Each idiom carries 2 marks. In this way, 10 marks are given to question number 4, that is idioms. Last question is translation of passage from Urdu into English, that carries 15 marks. In this way, 15 marks are given to the last question, that is translation of a passage. In this way, 18 marks are given to subjective type. Total marks are 100, and I would advise you to work hard to get very good marks. Best wishes, dear students. That's all of today's lecture. If you have any question, if you have any problem, you may contact me in the feedback group. Take care. Thank you very much.